How's it going, everyone? My name is Rusty Farmer, aka Mr. Exquisite from Exquisite Auto TV on YouTube. And today I want to tell you about my friends at DeDona Tint and Sound, the one-stop shop for all your custom car needs. So let's go inside, let's check out the showroom. We're gonna walk back to a couple divisions they have, see the process they do here, and check them out. Right here in the showroom, you can see they have plenty of audio equipment. Let me take you over here to show you some of this JL equipment. JL equipment's been around forever, y'all. Been around since the late 90s. Great quality stuff. Pioneer decks, speakers, amps, sound dampening. Now, DeDona started off doing tint, and that's why the tint is before the sound in the name. So over here we have the tint division. Not only do they tint cars, but they do residential also, office buildings, homes. He was just telling me a story how they just went down to Camp Lejeune and done a bunch of buildings down there. So if you have anything you need to do as far as tint and audio, DeDona can help you. Now let's go back into the bay and we're going to look at some of the paint protection they do, because they have a division called Ain't Paint where they do wraps, custom wraps, police car wraps, paint protection, all that. So you can come here in one-stop shop, man. I'm telling you, they've done work for me in the past, top notch. And I think they got a couple special cars in here today. I know they got one of these special cars that you might enjoy. How about we see a Porsche GT3 up on the lift here, getting some paint protection done underneath the lights. Here's the man of the hour, Mr. Bruce DeDona.
How's it going?
Bruce of DeDona. And Bruce, this one's getting paint protection, right?
Yeah, we did a full clear bra on the hood, entire hood, the full fenders, the full front end, the headlights, the mirrors. We did the full rocker panels all the way back to almost level with the door handle. And we're putting a GT3 stripe on it. We did the other side already. If you want to take a look at it. This side's got the stripe on it. So when we get done with it, we'll clean the car back up, and the customer will pick this car up either later today or tomorrow.
Nice. Now, how long does something like that take?
It takes a full day to prep a car, clay bar it, make sure the paint's as perfect as possible, and then we got a plotter upstairs. We cut patterns out. Some stuff we bulk. We do in one big sheet, then we trim it out on the car. But if you got a good kit that fits, then we use the kit, and then we just start installing.
Awesome, awesome, Bruce. So if you need any kind of your paint protected, especially like when you buy a new car, they get a bunch of brand new cars in here where they do a clear bra on to protect that paint from the highway, from rocks, chips, bugs, all that. Here we have a BMW SUV being worked on. So if you need anything like that, come see DeDona. Now we're going to walk over to the audio division, where they actually install everything. And I think they got a couple of cool cars in there also. So let's go see what they got. As you can see, man, it's a little bit of a facility. I'm having to walk building to building. I think they're getting ready to expand again. Here we are, audio division. Got a couple of muscle cars in there. Also do newer cars. Look, guys, I know I go to a lot of shops. I talk a lot about people, but if you need anything high quality, come to DeDona. Market Street, 5212 Market Street. Been in business for over 24 years. It's a one-stop shop, man. Come see him. Mr. Exquisite says so. Tell him I sent you. Peace.